Okay guys, here we go again. I guess not. Okay, flashing and running. There we go. Yeah, we got Angry Bird with the lights. And we're doing the O fly. We saw Mike do that, so let's just go to the, let's try the Crazy 8. Lights make it kind of nice. Definitely tell front from back. Those are the easy lights, guys, that I've had on my channel. You can get them on Amazon and other places. I think even Motion RC carries them. Hobby King carries them for sure. Flip back to normal here. Take some more control. Remember, I'm not a helicopter guy here, so this is new to me. But I have flown drones, and this is more like a GPS drone. But you still have to use rudder. It gets a little complicated sometimes when you're used to flying an airplane, and I go to hit rudder, and all it does is it does this or it jigs left, you know. So yeah, you gotta use the rudder in conjunction with that. Flies a lot longer with this big battery. I'm flying on a 4S 3600 HRB, and I'm not gonna make you guys sit here for the entire 20 minutes or 15 or so that it'll fly. But I was interested to see if I had bought something too heavy or not, and then I saw Mike's battery, the 5000. It's like, oh geez, okay, if it flies with that thing, it'll fly with this easy. I'm getting the hang of it now a little bit. And this is not auto pilot, this is me. I'm even going to land it myself. Oh, bird, bird. Now you all probably want to see it invert, right? You guys want to see it inverted?
Yeah. Oh, it did go upside down. Remember, it won't land inverted.
All right, that was my inversion.
Cut the grass, cut the grass.
Cut the grass, cut the grass. Let's not hit stop. That would have been a mistake. Instinct was going up for that switch, so better not ever do that. Let's hit home. And go sit down.
Show him your hands, kid. No touching.
Hands free, guys. Hands free.
Hey, put the radio on the ground.
Yeah, people do that, don't they? How about that, guys? I actually worked up the nerve to invert it. It was a spontaneous burst. I'm like, if I don't do it now, I'm never going to do it. So, hey, it works. And it goes inverted, and it didn't crash. Knock on wood. Hey, hey, we got a good one. Thanks for watching, guys.